Hi all, today I'm going to do a quick review on this Huina 580 1580 electronic quick hitch. Give you a quick demonstration what I think about it. I bought it off eBay. It come from China. I live in the UK and it took 9 days from a purchase to receiving it, and that was tracked. It cost £31 including the P&P. I'll put a link up in the description below for the seller. He's most probably the cheapest for this one. Had no problems getting it. What do I think of it? Yeah, it's good. It's a bit slow hooking the bucket on. A couple of little things I've seen that most probably could cause a problem. The drive in it is a very tiny electronic motor. It's kind of exposed in a few places depending on where you have the curl part of it. I think if you were digging in sand and you got any sand in there or anything like that, you might have some problems. Just one thing that I've found on it, that's all. Just inside there, very hard to show you it on camera. Let's see if I can get in there. Just say inside there is where the motor is. So it's very hard to see it, but if you get some dirt in there or sand, I think it's going to cause problems. Anyway, other than that, it works as it should do. Pleased with it. People I've spoke to that have got them are pleased with it. Takes about, I'd say about 9-10 seconds for the actual lock mechanism to work. You put that on. I've counted. Okay, you press the bottom button and keep hold of that for around about 9 seconds, and then it should be locked in. It must be around about there now. So now that'll be locked. And then to unlock it, it's the top button. Again, takes about 9 seconds, 10 seconds to actually unlock it, as you can see. I'll try and get you the shot of that mechanism there. Just here, that looks like a brass. That's the part that locks it. Hard to get the focus there, but if I push the button, you can see it starting to move up there, dead slow. That's now most probably fully locked up, and then the top button to unlock it. Again, about 10 seconds, like watching paint dry. Yeah, so again, to lock it up. Okay, bottom button again for about 10 seconds. And now that should be fully locked up. Most probably the cheapest I've found. There is a yellow one as well that comes from Banggood. Now the only problem I can see on that is the wiring. I can just get that to show you the wiring where it plugs in. As you can see that, the socket there. Now this just plugs straight in on the 3.5mm jack plug. Now on the Banggood one, the yellow one, this cable is in two parts with banana plugs on, and you have to make your own connection to the 3.5mm. You have to buy another 3.5mm jack plug and split it, because as I say, it's got two wires come off this. This one, as soon as you get it, you bolt it on, put that in, and that's it. Yeah, I just thought I'd give a quick review. People have been asking about it, so I thought, right, just a quick one. Thanks for watching. Any questions, put them in the comments below. Please subscribe and like. Thanks.